Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will see how we can create task template in task in Bitrix24. So first of all, you have to click on task and project. Once you click on task and project, you will get an option of task. So you have to click on create option. Once you click on create option, you will get an option of task and template. Once you click on task template, you will get an options of the task which you have previously created over here. For example, demo task, account task. And if you wanted to create a new task template, you just have to click on all templates. Once you click on all templates, you will get an option to create a new template. So now you can create a new template by clicking on create option. You can name a task. For example, I will be giving a name demo task template. Once you have given the demo task template, you can mention their description over here. After that, you can upload documents if you wanted to attach over here in that particular task. So you can do it from here itself. Then we are having an option of assignee. If you wanted to assign this task template to any of your employer, you can do it from here itself. Then created by will be the person who will want to create this task. Then we are having of participants. Participants will be the person who will wanna you want to add in this particular task template, and same goes with the observer is the person who will want to observe this task completely. Okay, so you can also add a deadline of this task template over here. Then if you wanted to repeat this task template, you can do it from here itself. Okay, so this is how you can create task templates. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.